Okay, this is a recipe Mahasin and I cooked a few weeks back. It is called Shrimp Manale. It's usually cooked with olive oil, some butter, garlic, and a lot of pepper. We didn't put as much pepper. Um, I learned this recipe from my cousin in Washington, John and Shar. So hope you enjoy it, and it goes really good with the salad. Basically, once the shrimp is cooked, you just get some baguette bread and just dip it right in there, grab a piece of shrimp and eat it. So enjoy. This is I forget what my mom called it, but we fried the shrimp up. Ooh, turn that down a little bit. But my cousin John Hancken, this is his thing. He puts some butter, a cube of butter, some olive oil, and shrimp, and as much pepper as you want, and just kind of like saute them up like this. And then we get some of that bread and just dip the bread in this oil. Put all these in there. So good. Put some in there. And just let them, I'll probably put some more oil in there a little bit. And then basically we just dip our bread, get some olive oil on it, grab the shrimp, eat it just like that. Just eat right out of here. Cook a little bit. About 4 minutes on one side, so now I'm flipping them all over, and you can see how the oil and the pepper just sticking to it. It smells so delicious. So these middle ones moving to the outside, they'll cook a little bit better. So seafood should usually be about 140 degrees, so I've got one of these guns. So let's see, that's 204, 210, okay, well, some of these in the middle, 160, yeah, so it's going down to 164. Some of these are close to being done.
Wait.
Taking this off. Done. So now we just kind of take a piece of bread and dip it in there. Now this is pretty hot. There. And that's it right there. You just eat this just like this. Pretty hot. So I take a piece of bread, dip some oil in there, and grab up the shrimp.